So we have Miss Tasneen over here. Okay. Canva is a graphic designing software, and it allows you to create what? Most of you are in your school, college, or you can even make a career in creating graphics and video. Now you will say, ma'am, how can we learn in 2 hours? Please understand, in 2 hours today you will learn how to make professional looking images and professional videos. Using what? Using your phone or your laptop. So what will I be able to create? You will be able to create posters, flyers, social media graphics, YouTube videos, Instagram videos, birthday cards, resume. You will be able to create everything using this software called Canva. So Canva is available on the mobile and the laptop. Correct? If you are using from the mobile, you have to download the app called Canva. If you are using from the laptop, you have to go to canva.com. Correct? Right? Now, another thing that what we will be understanding is that why is this software so popular? This software is popular because today anybody and everybody can create beautiful graphics and videos, and the potential is limitless. You can publish anywhere, you can design anywhere using your mobile. A big thing about this is that the top 500 companies of the world, are using Canva for their professional and personal use of graphics. Today you know that everything is online. Because everything is online, you and I have to put out our content in the format of images or videos, right? If today if I want to sell something also, I have to put the image of the product. If I have to look for a job, I have to put my resume as a online, correct? I have to use email. If I want to put out my video and become a YouTuber, I have to use the video and put it. So whatever is online today is images or videos. Today, how much time you spend on Instagram and YouTube? Only I know. Your parents may not know, but I know that you spend a lot of time on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. That is half your life. Correct? So let's start. Canva is the world's best software to quickly make images and video. Now we will go to the practicals.